All right, friends, let's talk about how to engage one another and do network weaving. Now, networking is something we'll learn more and more about throughout this journey together. I think on level 4, no, it must be level 2, we talk a little bit about it. But I want to show you how to use the members tab a little bit more effectively. So if you find individuals in the community that you've been messaging with on different posts and you think they're cool, like let's say you've been chatting with Tommy. Tommy's awesome. You could quickly get a stab or a quick understanding of like the essence of who he is. He's from the United Kingdom. And then if you hover, you could look at all of their memberships, which is kind of cool. So let's go ahead and click on him. You could see how active they are on Skool in general. This is showing every day of the week and every month. So some people try to get like perfect dark green. That's a whole nother conversation about what's effective, but he owns his own community called Just Add Magic, where he teaches people how to breathe. Super cool. You should check it out. And then you can see where we have shared memberships across the Skool games, Skool community, Journey to Code, and the Big Brain Club. And then he's part of something else. So it's a great way to check people's affinity, like what they're interested in. You could follow one another so you could get notified when that person posts or engages other content, as well as chatting with them directly. But the goal is for you all to know one another just as well as you know me, if not better, because you probably have a little bit more bandwidth to interact with each other. Let's get our dopamine. Where am I going? Big Brain Club. Take me back. And then Classroom. I keep doing this over and over again so you start to feel more comfortable with the application. We're at 52% complete. Let's click the button. 57, you're getting close so that you can go and do all the other fun stuff.